Good morning and welcome to Murmu Biology. Have you ever thought what the future world will look like? Isn't it? How the building will look like? So, you have tuned into Murmu Biology and we were seeing question number 68 Jharkhand eligibility test life science detailed solution. So, the question says, which of the following is an example of the option value of biodiversity? Options are timber extraction, potential future use of undiscovered medicinal plants, tourism revenue, soil erosion control. So this is the question. And in previous question number 67, you have seen four pillars of ecosystem services and the products that they provide and what their examples are. So provisioning and services, the material goods that are provided by the ecosystem, that is food. Regulatory services are which regulate the climatic regulation and which regulate the organism. Cultural services are the behaviors of humans that grow due to the ecosystem, and supporting services are the soil which the ecosystem contains. So let's start. Think of a farmer whose self-interest is in growing crops so that he earns some money, and the crop which has been produced by the farmer is bought by the customers, that is we uh, buy the crops to fulfill our food and maintain our health. So this is creating a market, isn't it? So the individual pursuit of the farmer and the individual pursuit of the customer maintaining its health is a collective benefit to both of them, and this is the market, isn't it? This creates a market value. And let's take another example. If a woodsman create a furniture out of the wood, that is timber, the furniture is being used by the customer for their benefit, isn't it? But the woodsman as a whole, when you see this in large scale, the woodsman cut the forest and extract the timber wood, isn't it? This leads to landscape loss and biodiversity loss, isn't it? You may not see this in one house, but as a whole, take example of the whole town, lots and lots of uh, woods are being cut, and this is a loss to the ecosystem, isn't it? So in this example, there is a personal benefit to both of the farmer also and to the customer also, isn't it? Maintaining the personal health, and here the beneficiaries are also benefited, and these services, that is to the woodsman, is profitable, and to the customer the services are profitable uh, due to its benefit. Both are being benefited, but overall the biodiversity is having a loss due to flood, due to deforestation, and due to timber wood production, isn't it? So this results in the flood, and there is a overall loss in the society, isn't it? So to calculate these losses and benefits, the town is being planned by the architectural and the city government, isn't it? To address this scenario, architectural city planners, environmental biologists, geologists, and government value this economic situation, and this economic situation is known as total economic value, isn't it? So the total economic value is categorized into use values and non-use value. Use values contains actual value that can be used, that can be directly used, such as crops, and non-consumptive such as recreation due to in the park, isn't it? And indirect use is pollination, water regulation, isn't it? And non-use values are philanthropic or bequest, that is when we do not touch the forest and leave it at as it is, so that benefits the future generation, and this is known as bequest value. This will be more clear in this figure, isn't it? So total economic value framework consists of use values and non-use values. Use values are timber extraction, and direct use are tourism revenue, isn't it? So indirect use is supporting services, is soil erosion control, this is regulatory. And option value that is in the question is potential future use. This is the example of option value that has been asked in the question, isn't it? So these are the four pillars of economic ecosystem services, and these are the values provided by it. The use values has direct use such as crops or food security and wood production, isn't it? The indirect use is CO2 and wetland filtration provided by the water provided by the ecosystem. The option value consists of future use, that is potential for cures and diverse ecosystem. And bequest means preserving the forest for future generation, isn't it? So this is the literature, the same that we have just uh, mentioned. So we come to the question, which of the following is an example of option value of biodiversity, isn't it? So you can see the option in use value there is option value, and option value there is potential future use, which is our answer. So timber extraction is example of direct use, isn't it? And tourism revenue is an example of, also an example of direct use, isn't it? And soil erosion control is an example of indirect use, isn't it? And the correct answer is potential use of undiscovered medicinal plant. Okay, so you can pay 1 rupee for this video, or you can like, subscribe, share and download this video for offline viewing. Thank you. Stay tuned to Murmu Biology.